Hello there, my name's Dane Lemaitre. Welcome to the video. It's been a little while since I made a video now, about a couple of weeks or so, but nevertheless I'm back. And today I'm going over to the Rushden Transport Museum. You may remember last month I did a show there. I do a show there every year. That video is on my channel, so please check it out if you haven't. Anyway, I'm going over there today. I'm actually driving a Class 31 diesel locomotive. My brother Adam's coming with me, and you may remember my brother Adam used to work in T&R Models, the model shop in town, as I mentioned before, and he also helped me with my Bachmann Scar Louis layout. He helped me a lot because he knows a lot more about building baseboards and that than what I do. So, you know, credit where it's due. Anyway, we really look forward to it. I've never actually driven a locomotive before. Saying that though, when I was about 8 years old, I went to a steam rally and I actually got to drive a traction engine. When I came off, I was very black and sooty from obviously the smoke and everything. And it wasn't until I looked in the mirror that I realised. Obviously, they are very dirty things, the steam engines, but you know, nevertheless, I think that's all part and parcel of it and fun of it. I'm really looking forward to today. Please enjoy the rest of the video.
Well, we generally have a look around, make sure nobody's put any chocks or anything on the wheels. Not bother to chock here, we've just got good handbrake, so we just screw it down. But you never know what somebody's done in the absence. So let's look around, make sure that no cables across the rails or anything. Built at Vulcan Works, I mean, Greater Manchester. Exhausters for the vacuum side of the coaches, etc. Around the side here, we've got twin compressors. The second compressor was put in when the demise of the air brake, the vacuum brake coaches, for the air brake carriages as they are now. Main generator. Auxiliary generator, that works all the systems. This main generator purely provides power for all the traction motors.
There's another compartment there. My dread.
V12 engine, turbocharged on the end. That's the governor, main control governor. What do you think?
That is a big engine.
Yeah, very big engine.
Drive shaft for the radiator fan, coolant fan. Here. Radiators are either side of here. The fan's up there, which sucks the air, cooling air through the rest.
I know they were big.
Yes.
Right. We'll bang me up there.
Formerly train steam heated in here, and of course that concrete block is to replace the steam heat boiler. And where you're standing now, this would purely, all the shape of that is the water container purely for the steam heating. All of that, and in there was the fuel supply, diesel fuel supply for the steam heating. Driver's comfort zone.
Nice little kettle there.
Identical cabs.
Yeah.
We normally start the loco from the other end because you can hear all the relays, and if anything goes strange with the relays in the control cabinet there, you can usually hear what's going on. So that's why we try to start at that end. So we'll go back out down that end. What we do is pull that over. It's a spring thing that quite, and it'll go. That's it. Then we've got the control circuits for the systems. Those three breakers there.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. These others are heaters and cookers and things. We don't need them today. Now, something else we're supposed to do, although you heard the bell ring then, is test the fire system before we go. And we know that's working.
Yeah.
So that's it. Go to the oil. Yeah, that's it. Engine only. When you go engine only, all it does is run through all the system. That's just exhausted. Right, now you need to make a break.
Nah, I'm good at it.
Make a break. Right, that's it. Unpin it. Take all the way around the place. That's it. Now, and what happens when that gets up there, the brakes drop off. Yeah. So you just take that, just lift it up, then twist it. Hold it there, now, you feel for it, I'm playing with it. Just hold it about 20. Yeah. Right, forward only. Oh, forward, right, sorry. One notch. Hit the horn. Brake off. We'll get it in a minute. Other way round. Right.
I'm slowly getting hang of it now.
Yeah. It's a bit. If we've got a train, on, you wouldn't be using the straight arrow at all. You'd be using the train brake. Yeah. In fact, what you can do, you can give it a try. That's first application. Now, if you've got vacuum, let's say you've got vacuum brake coaches, what will actually happen? That's the vacuum gauge. That will start to drop off, and the coach brakes will start running first. Then the loco brakes will come on. Yeah. The idea is the brakes start to pick it off again now. Then come back on. That's it. That's it. Running. I just realised why the amps aren't going off when you use that. It's popped up on the vacuum. So we have got the coach. And what the idea of that is, you go into first application. If you come to the station, your first application, that'll get the brakes running on the coaches. Yeah. That stops and stopping into the loco. If you did the straight air, what would happen is the coaches would hit. There'd be no brakes on the coaches, the loco would be braking and they'd be hitting like that. So what it's called a proportional brake. So when you first do that one, there, the coach brakes start running, stops them, and then the loco brakes start running, a little while later. Stops them being, passengers have to rough ride. Of course, you can't demonstrate. I could demonstrate. It's a question. I've only got to put the vacuum on the button. I'll put the back on. Right, knock it off. Okay, just ease the brake a little bit. Brake it. See if you get that's it. As they start to roll, they start to roll. So you know, maybe take it off now. Couple of dead stuff. Go down. That's it. Remember, we are going back to where we started from, so we're going over those points. Yeah. So, what I should do now is knock it right off, and power right off. That's it. And just keep your hand by the thing. Just dip it a little bit, just to slow it over the. Just to slow it over the point. Take it off again. Right. That's it. That's it. Just a teeny little bit. It only wants about £10 on there, and it'll start to take control of it. That's it. Take it right off there. You can give it one notch, just play with it, one notch, just for a second till you see it pick up, then you can take it off again. Right, okay. You stop by the cable, that roll the cable in the 6 weeks. Just tweak it, let's see it coming off a little bit, that's it, just follow it in. Okay, right, now hold it, the loco's running away now, put the brake on, now that's it, hold it on that, now destroy the train brake. Now we've destroyed the train brake, that's an emergency. Yep. Wait for those brakes, make sure that something come on. Right. That's right down, those are up, take it out now. If you don't spin it out, you won't get brakes and it'll go down the other end. So that can go to engine off. That's it. Is that okay? Yeah, it's okay. There's the brake coming up now. And this time, I want you to let the brake off. Don't do anything. Let the brake off. Right, don't do anything. Now the loco's running away now, isn't it? Yeah. And you shouldn't be running away because you're not asked for it to move. You're not put any power on at all. So it's rolling away. So now, if you fall asleep now, we're going to be in the house now, aren't we? Yeah. Right. So what do I do now? Right. It's not, is it? Stop it. Well, that's safety device. Speed supervision thing. Oh, right. So, what will happen after a few seconds, the brake will come off. It's like a vigilance thing. It will keep an eye on you. Right. So if you don't respond properly, that will keep happening. But eventually you will get the answer.
I see. It goes on and off all the time.
It should do, yeah. But it might, you might have to correct it. Right. Okay. So you'll take the brake. Right. Let's see if the timer's working. Moving forward. You won't get power because you've got the brake. You can't get power until this full brake on there. So you've got the power off. Now to reset it, because you're running away, oh there it's coming back up again now. Right, alright. But the same thing, it won't happen this time because you've selected forward gear. But if you're an engine only, that will keep happening. So that's it, you get out now. There you go. That's it.
Let's go back over there.
You shouldn't have told him about the two-on thing.
I'm not that bad in my car.
Depends on who you speak to.
Power off, and then just take the brake so it's going up the bridge. No, power, off. Right, just hit the brake a little bit. Right, that's got it, off now. Just get it under control. Just try and just dip it, just a little bit, you know, the brake. With the brake, it'll feel good. That's it, just keep playing, that's the kidney bit.
A bit like when you're coming up to something just to slow down a little bit. You just put a little bit on.
You've actually got 10 mile an hour line speed, but you do 15. Speed up. Right, dip it up now a little bit. Good, no brake. So just put the wheel under control, bring down to about 5 mile an hour. Right, off again. Brake as you did before. If it lines up on the point, you can just give it one notch just for a second or two, just to get it going.
I'm going to take that's what it's not like again.
Yeah. We'll do the same with Adam and then we'll do something a little bit different. Power off. What do you say? Just a little bit. That's it.
don't have to press the button, don't you? Just swing it all the way around. There we go.
Right. And check, put the straight air off, make sure we've got a brake, it's now on.
Yeah, it helps me.
Yeah, but the brake's still on. Right. That's it, that's okay, it's creeping up there, you see. If you put it off, if you put it...
I've done it. Okay, you can come back. I'll hold when I'm leaving.
What's the first thing before you sit down?
That one. I'll do that. Forward brake.
Got the dead man, yeah?
Yeah. Engine only. Yeah. That one.
Yeah.
One notch.
No, what's going to happen? What's happening now? What's happening? What's happening on the gauge?
By the brakes.
Yeah, so what are you going to do?
Push the brakes on.
Yeah. That's it, just make sure that's all right. Just hold it on straight there now.
Yeah. And that's it.
That's it.
Forward a notch.
Yeah.
And then you can release the brake. It's alright.
Going to warn anybody around you? That's it. It's all right. You're right. Give it a second notch now, just to get it rolling. You know, just to get it moving.
A bit of filming.